Hi Vivek Mehra and hi Neena Gupta. Thank you so much for being on eTimes. I am guessing that this is your first interview together.
Yes, it is our first interview together.
That's true.
Vivek, how are you feeling? You're going to be bombarded with questions.
Well, in my professional life, I've had numerous questions bombarded on me. So never with a journalist, but so I think I should be okay. I'm not nervous.
Well, Neena ji is never nervous. She's fearless. She's opinionated. And I'm sure she will be today. Let's start with how would you both describe your togetherness of 20 years plus now?
I think it's been outstanding. We are so comfortable with each other. A little bit here and there keeps happening, but I hope she's comfortable with me. I'm very comfortable with her. So there are no conspiracy theories. There are no, what do you call it? We're just perfect.
Would you endorse that, Neena?
What do you call it? No politics. No politics.
See, the main thing is that we are open. If we don't like anything about each other, we can scream at each other, we can shout at each other, and we can get angry with each other. And but at least it's not like I'll make a face and not talk for 5 days. That kind of thing is not there. So I think it's very open, and that works for both of us. It will work for anyone.
It's what you'll call a mature relationship.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Vivek, how is your relationship with Masaba? How would you describe that?
Excellent. With Masaba, it's outstanding. She takes a lot of my time these days. In her work, I help her, advise her, guide her. So I think she has full trust in me and I have full trust in her.
Neena, the way he said outstanding, ऐसा लगा कि Masaba से better relationship है compared to you.
I know.
With you.
Yeah.
The equation.
I am sure. Obviously, it has to be
because she listens to me. This one doesn't listen to me.
No, but I remember Neena categorically mentioning in one of her interviews that she would never marry a man who does not love her daughter.
Yeah, I remember that. Yeah.
So when he scolds her or say, okay, has a difference of opinion with her or maybe has an argument, which side are you on?
Me?
Yeah.
I'll be on the side of what I feel that person is right, whether it's Masaba or him. And if she's wrong, I'll tell her that you are wrong. And if he's wrong, I tell him that no, don't. So I think, again, it is all very open and frank and honest relationship. I don't think there is anything.
I think in these last 20 years, there's been some disagreements. I mean, young days apart, but I would imagine there may be one disagreement at some point. So it's a very flowing relationship where hardly any disagreement.
I think what a good word for this relationship is, it's very much at ease.
So, Vivek, tell me, were you anxious in the beginning that perhaps Masaba might have an objection and this marriage may not happen?
No. So we went around before getting married for 4-5 years. And I think Masaba may have been a little concerned for a few days, but I'm a very likable guy, you see. So I think she immediately took to me.
Yeah, they never had any
problems, any tension at all.
Yeah. Because you see, I have always been open to her. I have always been honest with her, whatever I have done. So in that scenario, things can flow much easier than if you hide something or not tell something else. So that makes again things very much easier.
Nina, last time you told me that the society does not respect you if you are unmarried. Do you still hold that opinion? Or is it changing
Yes.
with time?
No, I still hold that opinion.
So, can I ask you that, of course, you loved Vivek, there's no doubt about that. Otherwise, this relationship wouldn't have lasted. Was that one of the reasons why you got married?
No. If that was one of the reasons, I would have gotten married much earlier to many people. It is not like that. It is you like somebody, you fall in love, and you feel that this is a correct person to spend your life with, and then the other thing comes. It is not that I got married. I mean, when I started my relationship, I never thought I'll get married. But slowly, I decided it was better for all of us.
I was such a good guy that she decided, yes, good to get married.
I like this self-laudatory exercise which you are doing. But it's honest. At the same time, people misunderstand this as somebody is boasting about himself. But I know that when people say this, they mean it quite often.
I'm not boasting to anybody else but her now.
Yeah.
Now it's going on video.
Okay.
So, Vivek, tell me, you have a fantastic relationship with Masaba. When Masaba went through her personal crisis in marriage, how did you rally around her?
We were very disappointed, to be honest. Why? Because we loved Madhu a lot too, So there was no angst. There was no fight. There was nothing. It was just that they two didn't get along. And then we respected it. I mean, if two individuals are not getting along, then, till today, Madhu calls me Pop. So there's no angst. There's no angst at all.
So is he in touch with you too? Is he in touch with Masaba? Like, hi, hello, how are you?
Not very much, I think.
No.
Not very much.
No,
He's trying to create his own life and Masaba her own. So if you continue it, then it hurts a little more because we all loved each other a lot. And we still do. But then for him to live his own independent life, it's important that
both of them.
We are not in each other's hair. So we are not. So occasionally, whenever there is need, we do talk, but it's always pleasant. It's not, there's no angst.
Correct. So what you're saying, there was no animosity when they parted and you didn't hold it against him?
No.
No, not at all. Not at all.
But Nina, that's a quality with you also. You don't hold it against people, as far as I know. Because when I read statements from you, like, I never colored my daughter's mind against her father, that says it all? That you don't hold it against people?
I generally don't. I have a motto to move on, because if you keep holding it, then you don't go anywhere. You are stuck there only. And let past be past. Now you live for today and you move on. You move forward, because that's how you can be happy. Otherwise, सड़ते रहोगे, रोते रहोगे, किसी को उपदेश देते रहोगे, किसी पे गुस्सा निकालते रहोगे, उससे कोई फायदा नहीं है, आपका ही नुकसान है.
If you carry angst with yourself, with somebody else, however justified it may be, you create stress for yourself.
Yeah.
And I think stress-free life is the most important thing.
Yeah.
Needlessly, people create stress by being political, by being conspiratorial and angst. No, just aage chalo.
Yeah.
Aage chalo. And that is important for your stress-free life.
I completely agree with you. It's self-destructive.
Yeah.
You may be trying to destroy somebody else, but you're destroying yourself in the bargain, which is the stupidest thing you can do.
But Nina, take us through those hurdles which you faced. I know your father stood by you when you decided to be a single mother. खुद के hurdles तो खुद के ही होते हैं. Sooner or later.
मेरी बुक में पढ़ लेना.
बस मेरा
अभी
वही
नहीं
सवाल
बताओ.
था कि आपका बुक जो नेक्स्ट मेरा सवाल वही था. But take us through that, because I'm sure there's a lot more in that book except apart from the hurdles.
Yeah, there is a lot more, but then I don't want to say it now. ना फिर बुक का मजा चला जाएगा. बुक में पढ़ना ना अभी.
ट्रेलर दे दो थोड़ा सा. ऐसे होता है ना, जैसे मूवी का ट्रेलर देते हो, बुक का ट्रेलर दे दो. You want to show the cover here?
No, cover. I have put it on my Insta post.
Okay.
2 बारी. Yeah.
But Vivek told me you don't listen to her now. You're just doing that. He's telling you to trailer दे दो. अभी आप उसकी बात सुन नहीं रहे.
मैं हर बात नहीं सुनती by the way. ना वो मेरी हर बात सुनते हैं. हम अपने हिसाब से सुनते हैं. तभी तो चल रही है गाड़ी.
Okay, let me ask you and try to get a trailer with at least one question. When a woman is single, there are men who try to come into her life. It is assumed that she is vulnerable. Did that happen with you?
Yes. Yes, it did.
And how did you keep them away?
I didn't have much of a social life because I was struggling, and I never went to parties. Nobody called me because I was a nobody. So I just stuck to my friend Sony for many years actually. Used to go out with her. So I felt safer with my girlfriends, and sometimes I had to go. And you see, a woman always can figure out, you get it like this, that if somebody has something else in their mind, so you move away from there, you don't stay there for too long. You have to be very alert when you are single, when you go out somewhere and meet people. So that's what I did.
बस मैं वही पूछने वाला था आगे कि वो परख जो होती है जो एक वुमन में, वो आपकी परख हमेशा टाइम पर हुई या फिर कभी ऐसा भी हुआ कि आपको बहुत लेट रियलाइज हुआ that the man is taking you for a ride?
No, nobody can take you for a ride. Nobody can take you for a ride unless you want to take that ride, you know. So it is your judgment sometimes which goes wrong sometimes, and sometimes you know that this person is not for you. I always feel कि say कि अरे उसने हमारा फायदा उठाया, उसने हमारा फायदा. कोई आपका फायदा नहीं उठा सकता जब तक आप उसे फायदा उठाने न दें. This is what I feel. We do mistakes, all young girls, boys, they all do mistakes, but that's a way of learning, and that's how the world is, you know.
Nina, did that happen with you at work? Did it happen with you in the industry?
Book में पढ़ना.
No.
इस book में पढ़ना.
This is something. Oh wow. Something. You were also in the thick of things, but then suddenly there was a lull period in your career. Did you?
Oh, that is because. No, that is because
experiences. Did you get wrong vibes from people?
No. The almost 8-10 years when I didn't work. See, the TV had become very different. Okay, I was not liking the parts I was getting, and also all my life in Bombay from 81, I have, especially when I started doing TV, I have worked so hard, like leave at 8 in the morning, come back at 10:30, 11 in the morning, leave at 8 in the morning, look after your kid, look after your household, look after your dad. So after I got married to him, I just wanted to relax. I wanted to enjoy things a woman enjoys. I wanted to go to the parlor. I wanted to go abroad, have a holiday, which I never did. For those, I think 15 years or so, I never did anything. I was only working because I needed money also, to look after the baby.
Yeah, when she met me, then she got many offers, not for movies, but for serials.
Yeah.
But they were all what do you call them? Daily serials.
Daily soaps.
Daily soaps,
Yeah.
which means she had to be there what she's 9 a.m. to 9 p.m.
More.
7 days a week,
Yeah.
just shooting. So she decided, I'm not going to take any daily serial.
Yeah. And I didn't get any film offers, which I could have taken. No good roles. So I just relaxed. I could give more time to my dad, to Masaba, to Vivek. So I was very happy, and that's why I didn't do anything. But I was looking forward कि कोई मुझे अच्छा फिल्म में रोल मिलेगा तो मैं कर लूंगी once in a while.
But Mr. Lucky Mascot, let me tell you that the roles which she got were just fantastic. You were too lucky. All the TV roles which she did, but I mean, they were just fantastic.
I said I probably was unlucky for her in that sense because she was just about finishing Saas and she was doing Kamzor Kadi Kaun, I think,
Yeah.
when I met her.
Hmm.
That was the starting point.
Yeah. 2001
yeah,
also.
yeah. That was, so after that, she didn't do very much.
But
After Kamzor.
नीना, टीवी को हुआ क्या है? कंटेंट कहाँ जा रहा है? Why is it deteriorated so much?
I know, that is why I never did TV after I finished one or two other serials after some, which I was not producing. The content was something which I didn't believe in and I didn't want to do. I don't know. I think people identify with that kind of content. I feel I'm a minority in this country. Most of the people who watch TV identify with those women because don't forget, their life is still the same. Their mother-in-laws are still the same. Not much has changed. I know somebody very close, my relative, recently, like 4 years ago, got married, and her mother-in-law was the same. What the horrible mother-in-laws you see on TV. So I think we can say we don't like this content, but people identify with it because their lives are the same.
I don't think TV did a service to women at all. I think it was a big disservice to women.
Yeah, true.
I don't think I have not seen a TV serial for years now.
Yeah, we don't see anymore because of the OTT. Yeah.
I don't know whether Vivek is demanding in nature.
Very demanding, very, very. Which man is not demanding?
Okay.
That's a lie. That's a lie.
Okay. But still, marriage is, considered at least to be accountable. Does he call you up? Where are you? आप कहाँ पर हो? कितने बजे घर आ रहे हो? किसके साथ हो? Do you call him up sometimes with the same questions?
किसके साथ तो कभी नहीं पूछा हमने. वो नहीं पूछा. हाँ, where are you is the first thing. When you say hi, where are you? Because you want to know कि कौन सी मीटिंग में हो, कब घर आ रहे हो, खाना मैं खा लूं, things like that. And he also does the same. So yeah, we do. It's very important.
Okay.
What I think he was hinting at was, are you suspicious of each other?
No, I don't think he was hinting at that.
I think he was. किसके साथ हो?
पूछ लेते हैं.
I was
बताओ.
not hinting at that, but when you put this question, to be very frank, it's, the answer lies somewhere in the middle. It can be interpreted that way. Yes, I completely understand how you interpret it as, and I have no complaints about that. But Vivek, tell me one quality at least. Yes, I know you both are very happy with each other, touch wood. One quality at least which you want to be changed in Neena Gupta.
फंस गया.
She must think that I'm an intelligent guy. कभी कुछ समझाता हूँ तो समझ लेना चाहिए. She thinks she's more intelligent than me. That's the only difficulty.
Love it.
So has she come back to you after some time and said, "Hi, you were right"?
बहुत मुश्किल. बहुत देर बाद, but वो सिखाई नहीं होती उससे. I mean, you forget, she forgets it also. No? See, she says, I'm very bad at choosing curtains or upholstery or something. But she still chooses it. फिर मैं मना करता हूँ, तो we have fights over this. No, you're okay. Forget it.
Is she
कह दो,
hot-
कह दो.
is she
पहली बार
hot-tempered?
मौका.
Vivek, is she hot-tempered? Is she hot-tempered?
Huh?
It's hot-tempered.
Occasionally, yes. But not with me, generally. And so am I, very hot-tempered. But the tempering of both of us, it rises but falls faster than it rose. It rises fast and falls very fast also, yes. So that's a very good thing. It doesn't stay. It doesn't get embedded.
But when you have such a strongly opinionated wife, are you sometimes scared that she might end up saying something or say write on Twitter something and get heavily trolled for that?
No, I think she's an intelligent lady who she does the right things, and sometimes she might discuss it with me, but usually she's quite independent. And track record तो ठीक है तुम्हारा.
काफी ठीक है. एक आध बार कुछ स्लिप हुआ है, पर काफी ठीक है. मैं बहुत केयरफुली बात करती हूँ और जो भी पोस्ट करती हूँ, और मैं बहुत ध्यान रखती हूँ. कभी पॉलिटिक्स में नहीं पढ़ती हूँ, किसी दूसरे की प्रॉब्लम्स में पढ़ती हूँ. आई ओनली post when I feel like something comes from my heart, which I want to say to my women. I feel a lot for women, especially in my country, especially women who don't have money. And I generally talk about household and things which women like to hear from me.
एक किस्सा मुझे याद आता है जब
keep it light, keep it funny. Yeah.
एक किस्सा मुझे याद आ रहा है टीना जी, जब आप ट्रोल हुए थे, जब आपने एक आउटफिट पहना था जो फॉरेन से था और आप कहने जा रहे थे कि हमें इंडियन प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करने चाहिए, और लोगों ने कहा कि ये ड्रेस तो जो
हाँ, आई नो ज्यादा ट्रोल नहीं हुई. हाँ, मैं यहाँ का स्वेटर के बारे में बात करी थी ना, उत्तराखंड का हैंडमेड स्वेटर एंड ऑल. हाँ, I had gone to the NGO and I was talking to the girls. I was ordering some sweaters, but I was wearing a foreign top. So not much, just one or two comments. Then I said, why not? I mean, I wear Masaba. That doesn't mean I don't wear other designers. In fact, me and Masaba both wear other designers. So it's like that. Itna zyada troll nahi hui thi.
I'm going back to that statement where you said that an unmarried woman is not respected. What exactly do you mean by that?
Book mein dekh lena.
I can't headline this interview as book mein
This
dekh lena.
program, book mein dekh lena.
Yeah, I'll explain it. And this is not necessarily true, but this is a feeling the individual has. And maybe she has that feeling that if I'm unmarried, then everybody looks at me as if I'm available. Or they try and make a pass because I'm unmarried. And I think this could be happening to married women also, but and it could be both ways. These days, there is people are liberated. So I think it's a little feeling of insecurities to some extent, that I'm alone and I can be a prey to people. But it's your mental frame of mind. I think it's something which you can get over. There are so many ladies who don't want to get married and they still feel confident and comfortable. So it's your own internal makeup, how you feel about it.
Would you like Masaba to get into marriage again?
भैया मैं नहीं कुछ बोलती. She's 30. She knows her mind. Whatever she decides, I will be with her, and I will not influence her about it. I don't interfere in this.
She has kept in touch with her father. May I ask you this as the concluding question, Nina, that are you in touch with Vivian Richards at times?
No, I'm not.
Vivek ji, a big thank you to you and Nina. Bigger one to you for getting him on this platform of E-Times.
मैंने बोला देखो, मैंने बोला वो कब से कह रहे हैं मुझसे, मैंने बोला अगर तुम्हें नहीं करना तो मैं अकेले कर लूंगी, तो he said okay, so I said great, but he's very busy man. He sits here where we are sitting whole day doing his board meetings and his calls. So I was waiting for him to get a little free. So today morning I asked him. He says, yeah, I'm free in the first half. So that's how we got it done.
I was surprised to see him in the frame because the conversation.
I didn't tell you.
The conversation that we had an hour or two ago before we joined was that it's going to be a solo with her.
नहीं, मैंने कुछ बोला नहीं, solo भी नहीं बोला था. It was like, okay, we are on at 12. See?
And trust
So
me,
you're better.
and trust me,
You did.
and trust me,
you
I had to
did
change the questions. I had to change the questions looking at you. Completely took me off guard.
You weren't prepared to grill me.
But all the same,
Anyway, it was good.
it has
was
been
good.
a
Thank
delight
you
to have
so
the
much.
both of you together. And please keep showing yourself more on screen, Neena ji. And Vivek,
इनको बोल रहे हो, मुझे बोल रहे हो. Yeah, lots is
वो भी
coming.
surprise दे दो एक suddenly big screen पर आकर.
नहीं, वो अपना काम करे, उसे ठीक रहता है. जो काम आता है वही करो. Thank you so much. It was lovely.
Take care, Vicky. All the best.
Thank you.
Be safe. Be safe.
Yeah.